Looking for powerful tools that won't break the bank? In this video, we're diving into some of the best and most useful tools you can get for under $100. Whether you're upgrading your toolkit or starting fresh, these picks deliver great value. Ratchet Cable Cutter. The Ratchet Cable Cutter is designed to cut through even very hard or tough plastic sheaths with wall thicknesses up to 7 millimeters. It features an interchangeable, sickle-shaped hook blade that is stable and foldable for easy transport. The blade can lock in 4 positions: folded, straight, angled, and movable for versatile use. A 3-stage blade protection system ensures safe handling and transport, while the ergonomically shaped handle provides a comfortable grip. The tool is priced at $51. RUBI ELLIP SC Suction Cup. The RUBI ELLIP SC Suction Cup, priced at $86, is a professional tool designed for handling large-format porcelain tiles with a secure and powerful grip, even on rough or textured surfaces. With a load capacity of 110 kilograms on smooth surfaces and 55 kilograms on rough ones, it also features a visual indicator for vacuum loss to ensure maximum safety. The tool comes in a durable hard case, making it ideal for professional installers, tilers, and ceramic specialists who need precision, safety, and efficiency when working with heavy or delicate materials. 17-inch tile cutter. The 17-inch Marshalltown tile cutter, priced at $47.77, is a versatile tool designed for cutting ceramic, glass, and mosaic tiles up to 17 inches long and 1/2 inch thick. It features a 2-rod rail system for smooth operation, a durable tungsten carbide wheel for precise scoring, and an adjustable measuring guide for accurate cuts. Ideal for intricate tile layouts, it can also make 45-degree diagonal cuts on tiles up to 12 by 12 inch, making it a reliable choice for both DIYers and professional tilers. Multi-scanner stud finder. The Capro 389 multi-scanner stud finder, priced at $28, is a versatile electronic sensor designed to detect live AC wires, metal, studs, and wood. It features an automatic scanning function and an audible detection buzzer that pinpoints the exact location of studs. With a detection range of 2 inches for live wires and metal, 1.5 inches for metal pipes, and 3/4 inch for wood, it offers reliable accuracy for various materials. Ideal for drywall, electrical, and construction work, this tool is a practical choice for both professionals and DIY users. Angle Grinder Stand. The Beam Nova Angle Grinder Stand, priced at $44.99, is a durable and versatile tool made from aluminum for long-lasting performance. It features an adjustable vise that allows for flexible clamping angles up to 45 degrees and a clamping width of up to 60 millimeters. A high-strength spring enables smooth, efficient cutting with minimal effort, and the extended handle ensures safe operation by keeping hands away from the cutting area. 8-bit Pack Pliers. The 8-bit Pack Pliers, priced at $69.95, is a compact, multifunctional cycling tool offering 18 functions in one lightweight design. Made from durable 7075-T6 aluminum and weighing just 68 grams, it includes essential tools like a spoke wrench, valve core wrench, multiple hex sizes, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, and T10 and T25 Torx compatibility. It can install and remove master links, clear valve stem clogs, and tighten lock nuts, with magnetic bit retention and a ball detent swivel head for accessing tight spaces. Bosch EasyChain. The Bosch EasyChain, priced at $100, is a cordless pruning saw designed for fast and efficient cutting of thicker branches. It features a tool-free SDS assembly system for quick setup and operates at a high cutting speed of 6.95 meters per second. The high-quality Oregon chain handles wood up to 13 centimeters in diameter with ease. Its compact, well-balanced design and soft grip handles ensure comfortable and effortless use. Powered by Bosch Syneon technology, it delivers optimal performance and runtime, achieving up to 150 cuts per charge with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, making it a reliable choice for effective pruning and sawing. Electric Stud Finder. The Electric Stud Finder, priced at $59, is a reliable tool for accurately detecting hidden wood and metal studs up to 1.5 inches deep, thanks to its auto deep scan feature. It includes crossline lasers, horizontal and vertical, for simplified marking, which can be used together or separately. Bright LEDs and adjustable sound alerts clearly indicate stud width, while an ergonomic handheld grip with wall-protecting felt pads and a hold mode ensures continuous scanning without needing to press the trigger. Rapid Glue Gun. The Rapid BGX 500 Glue Gun, priced at $87.70, is a high-performance cordless tool designed for efficient and versatile use in various applications. It features a quick 3-minute warm-up time, making it ideal for fast-paced tasks like cable fastening and decorating. Its adjustable flow control allows precise glue application tailored to specific job needs. The BGX 500 also supports exchangeable nozzles, enhancing its adaptability for different projects. Compatible with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, it delivers reliable cordless convenience. Angle setters with conduit benders. The angle setters with conduit benders, priced at $59.99, feature Klein's patented angle setter technology for quick and consistent bending at 10 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, with adjustments for conduit spring back. Made from heavy-duty cast ductile iron, this 1/2-inch assembled bender is built for durability on demanding job sites. It includes bold cast markings for easy conduit alignment and supports all standard bend types, including saddle and back-to-back bends. The wide foot pedal offers enhanced stability and leverage, while the interior hook surface prevents conduit from twisting. Loose cable stapler. The loose cable stapler, priced at $33.70, is specifically designed for efficient and safe loose cable installation. Its versatile compatibility allows it to secure a range of cables, including Romex, data, coaxial, and fiber optic, accommodating various diameters for diverse applications. The precision stapling mechanism, with a forward action design, provides greater stability by allowing users to push the handle rather than squeeze, enhancing control and accuracy. A built-in cable guide and channel protect cables from damage during stapling. 6.5-inch circular saw. The RUBI 6.5-inch circular saw, priced at $48.49, is a powerful and versatile cordless tool in the RUBI 18-volt 1+ system. With a speed of 4,700 RPM and an included 18T carbide tipped blade, it delivers over 215 fast, clean cuts per charge. Ideal for cross cuts in 2x material with a max cutting depth of 1/11/16 inches. It also offers up to 50 degrees of bevel capacity with a 1 to 3/16-inch depth of cut at 45 degrees, allowing for a wide range of angled cuts. Compatible with an accessory vacuum dust adapter for easy cleanup. This saw is part of a system of over 260 tools sharing the same battery platform. Orbital Sander. The Metabo HPT 18-volt 5-inch random orbital sander, priced at $100, combines the power of a corded tool with the convenience of cordless operation. Designed for professionals, it delivers top-tier sanding performance and dust collection in its class. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's ideal for remodelers, finish carpenters, flooring installers, and woodworkers. 7 1/4-inch corded circular saw. The 7 1/4-inch corded circular saw, priced at $54.99, delivers enhanced power and performance with its 14-amp motor, outperforming the previous Skill 5480 model. It features a 15% weight reduction to minimize user fatigue and a 51-degree bevel capacity with a positive stop at 45 degrees for versatile cutting. An improved dust blower keeps the cutting line clear of debris for better visibility and accuracy. The saw comes equipped with a 20-tooth carbide blade, making it ready for immediate use on a range of cutting tasks. Impact XPS. The Impact XPS bit set, priced at $29.10, is built for durability and high performance, lasting up to 100 times longer than standard impact bits. Designed to handle the intense force of high-torque impact drivers, these bits feature precision machine tips for superior contact and grip, torque-absorbing shoulder rings, and an optimized torsion zone. Made from high-quality steel, they offer enhanced strength and longevity, making them ideal for demanding tasks where reliability and efficiency are critical. Cordless Tiger Saw. The Ratchet CL Cordless Tiger Saw, priced at $85.59, is designed for cutting pipes efficiently, even in tight or confined spaces, making it ideal for HVAC professionals. Powered by cast batteries, it offers cordless convenience without sacrificing performance. Compact and easy to handle, the saw is built to simplify tough cutting jobs where space is limited, providing flexibility, power, and reliability for demanding work environments. Cimco T120 Flex. The Cimco T120 Flex Ratchet Combination Wrench, priced at $28.49, is a high-performance tool designed for precision and efficiency in tight or overhead spaces. Featuring ultra-fine 120-tooth gearing, it offers a minimal return angle of just 3 degrees, allowing for smooth ratcheting with minimal movement. The ring end swivels 2 by 90 degrees for enhanced flexibility, while the open-end design with specialized flank geometry enables seamless repositioning without lifting the tool, mimicking a ratchet's function. Dewalt Multi-Tool. The Dewalt 20-volt multi-tool, priced at $94.98, is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications. It features a 3-speed selector for optimized performance based on task requirements and a brushless motor that delivers up to 57% more runtime than brushed models. The dual grip variable speed trigger provides precise control, while the quick change accessory system allows for fast, tool-free blade and attachment changes. Compatible with most accessory brands via a universal adapter, it offers oscillation speeds from 0 to 20,000 OPM. Compact screwdriver. The compact screwdriver, priced at $100, is engineered for precision and access in tight spaces, measuring just 122 millimeters in length. Ideal for hard-to-reach fasteners, it offers 15 torque settings with a spindle lock for manual tightening when needed. An efficient brushless motor delivers high performance and extends tool life, while the ultra-compact, lightweight design enhances maneuverability. Jigsaw Table. The Jigsaw Table, priced at $73.96, is a practical accessory that transforms your jigsaw into a stationary saw for precision cutting. Easily mounted to any workbench up to 60 millimeters thick using the included steel clamps, it provides a stable and secure setup. The jigsaw is mounted underneath the galvanized 320 by 300 millimeter worktop, offering a clear view of the scribe line and allowing for cleaner, more accurate cuts from the underside of the material, reducing tear out on the visible side. Adjustable hole saw. The adjustable hole saw, priced at $22.34, offers quick and precise size adjustments in just 3 simple steps: loosen, adjust, and lock. It features an integrated millimeter scale along with preset guides for standard installation diameters, allowing you to set the desired hole size at a glance. The large drilling plate provides added stability and protects the surrounding work surface. Specially designed dust removal openings ensure continuous clearing during drilling, preventing clogging and preserving the functionality of the adjustment mechanism. Telescopic drywall support STE with pump grip. The Bessie Telescopic drywall support STE, priced at $48.89, is a durable and versatile tool designed for single-handed use in various construction applications. It features a strong steel build, non-slip PVC contact surfaces, and a pump grip mechanism for easy and secure adjustments. Capable of supporting up to 350 kilograms when fully retracted, it's ideal for holding drywall, partitioning rooms, or mounting accessories. The support can be quickly extended or retracted and is adaptable to angled surfaces thanks to swiveling contact pads. Pinnacle Precision Squares. The Pinnacle Precision Square, priced at $91.98, is designed for ensuring accuracy and precision layouts and machine setups. Crafted from a single piece of aluminum for guaranteed precision, it is black anodized for wear protection. The square features white laser-engraved imperial markings with 1/32" graduations, making it a reliable tool for accurate measurements. Made in the USA, this 6-inch square is built to last and is an essential tool for professionals who demand high-quality, precise measurements. MATCHFIT Rip Clamp. The MATCHFIT Rip Clamp, priced at $40, is a versatile clamping tool designed to work with any standard 1/2 inch by 14-degree dovetail groove, as well as T-tracks and track saw tracks. It features easy one-handed operation with a squeeze-to-clamp design and a quick-release trigger for fast loosening. The large anti-mark clamp pad protects workpieces and secures irregular shapes both horizontally and vertically. With a clamping force of 150 pounds, a 6.25-inch capacity, and a 2.25-inch throat depth, it's ideal for a wide range of woodworking and shop applications. Corner Protector. Corner Protector, priced at $22.54, is an essential tool for protecting delicate materials such as tiles, glass, and similar surfaces during transport, handling, or installation. Specifically designed to prevent breakages at vulnerable edges and corners, this set of 4 durable protectors accommodates material thicknesses ranging from 3 millimeters to 12 millimeters. Each corner protector is quick and easy to insert and remains firmly in place, providing reliable stability without slipping. These protectors are particularly valuable when working with large format slabs, where edge chipping and corner damage are common concerns. That's it for today's roundup of amazing tools under $100. If you found something you like, let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews and recommendations.